It's time to unbox the tablet I have been waiting for. Let's see what she looks like in person. Okay, little packing slip here. Okay, let's go. I've definitely been doing this honeycomb wrap. That's good, mama. Make sure you have some space when you take this out of the box. Who was getting paid just to wrap this thing on stuff? Oh wow, look at that. It's nice. Very pretty. This is a nice size. Okay. Clear that out. Put you there. Toss you there. Okay. Okay. Lost my trusty knife here. Okay, sit on the sides there. Very pretty. I like that. Okay. Wow, this thing is thin. Very thin. Jeez. That's super thin. Oh. Alright. There we go. This looks like a nice place to peel it off. Wow. That's pretty. I like that. Very cool design here. And this thing is super thin. Wow. This case is much thicker. Wow. Very cool. Alright, so let's power this thing on. Holding the power button here. First power up. This thing is nice. It feels really nice. It's not too heavy. No, not too heavy at all. Oh wow. This is actually my first Android tablet. My wife got me an iPad back when they first came out, and I have not had a tablet for myself since then. Very cool. Oh wow. Whoa boy. Alright, I got some work to do. And I am more than ready to get to it. Wow. This is pretty. Alright. I've got to get this thing set up, but I gotta say, this display is beautiful. This is a gorgeous tablet. Let's see where the S Pen is. Oh, I can't wait to get you set up. So excited. Okay, there we go. It's right here beside it. There's the S Pen that comes in the box here. I wonder does this work on the S22 Ultra and the Z Fold 3? Does it work right out of the box? Can I just go ahead and... Oh yeah, she ready. She come out the box ready. That is very nice. Oh yeah. Okay, so I got to get some stuff set up here, and wow. I don't think I'll need all of that stuff there. That's all fine. That's fine. All right, so let me get this all set up. The magnet works on my... If you have a little drink holder here, yeah, it even works on that too. Okay, I've got some work to do. I've got to get this bad boy set up, but this thing is beautiful. First unboxing here.